Hello, beautiful soul, and welcome to this guided meditation that will help you release any stale or negative energy that you've been carrying around and support you with beginning again, no matter where you are, from a place that feels fresh and new, cleansed and clear. As we move through our day, we bring with us the heavy and negative energy that we have absorbed along the way. Cleansing our energy is ever so important for stepping into who we are becoming and where we are going, instead of dragging around who we've already been and where we've already gone. So let's cleanse and clear, release the old, and welcome the new here today. I'm so glad you're here, dear one. If we haven't met yet, I'm Carolyn, spiritual mentor, and this channel is all about helping you still your mind and awaken your soul while using the healing energy of horses as our guide. Before we begin, dear one, let your eyes gaze over the images of the horses who will be coming along with you throughout this meditation. Let their soulful strength and their powerful presence wash over you. Feel yourself being bathed in a healing light that is calm and confident, peaceful and present. Horses are prey animals. They must remain in the present moment, calm yet alert, in order to respond if or when it is needed. For them, there is no yesterday. There is no tomorrow. There is only right now. Let this wisdom of the horses merge with you now. As you get yourself comfortable, whether it's sitting or lying down, follow what feels good to you right now, and then whenever you're ready, gently allow your eyes to close. Take a deep breath in and a slow breath out. Let yourself arrive here and now. Become aware of your body sitting here in this present moment. Invite your body to relax and settle. Roll your shoulders back and down. Move your head from side to side. Soften your belly. Sink your seat bones into the surface beneath you. Let your limbs and your hands and your feet relax and soften. Take a deep breath here and a slow exhale here. Notice any change in your breath as you continue to soften your body. Stay present to the softness in your body and the gentleness of your breathing. No work to do, just allow yourself to be. Be open, be soft, be present. And now, with each next inhale and each next exhale, invite new energy as you breathe in and let go of stale energy as you breathe out. In and out. New and old. Inspire and expire. Receive all that is needed and release all that is no longer needed. Continue breathing with a rhythm that feels gentle and nourishing and easy. And as you follow this easy, supportive rhythm, let each new breath welcome a bright light of healing, cleansing energy in through the top of your head. And let your awareness follow it down throughout your entire softened body, letting it gather up anything old that is no longer needed, and sending it down through your feet and down into the earth to be recycled by unconditional love. Take some time on your own to sit here calmly and peacefully in the energy of all that is new and good and loving. All that is past is swept away, and all that is here right now, all that is yet to come, comes from this new, fresh, present moment, here and now. All that is past is swept away. All that is here is right now. And all that is yet to come comes from this fresh present moment, here and now. And then whenever you're ready, come back to the room and gently open your eyes. I hope this meditation helped you release what no longer serves you and cleanse your energy so that you feel renewed and restored and free from the old, and ready for all that is new and waiting for you. Please let me know in the comments if it was supportive for you. It means so much to me to hear from you. And if you'd like to go deeper with getting out of your head and back into your heart, then I invite you to take advantage of my free 3-day mini course, Master Your Energy. You can click on the link in the description below. And as always, if you received any benefit from this meditation, please show it some love by clicking like and subscribe, as this really does help me create more of them for you. Thank you so much for listening, dear one. Have a beautiful day.